Wireless earbuds for motorcyclists, audio on the road. Title: Wireless earbuds for motorcyclists, audio on the road. Introduction. Motorcycling offers exhilarating freedom on the open road. However, riding for long hours can be mentally exhausting. Many motorcyclists turn to music or podcasts to make their journey more enjoyable. In recent years, wireless earbuds have become a popular choice for audio on the road. This article aims to explore the benefits of wireless earbuds for motorcyclists and provide some recommendation. As for the best options in the market. 1. Enhanced safety and convenience. Motorcyclists often face the challenge of riding in noisy environments. It's crucial to stay focused and aware of your surroundings while on the road. Traditional headphones can obstruct ambient sound. Jeopardizing the rider's safety. However, wireless earbuds designed specifically for motorcyclists offer a solution to this problem. They are designed to fit securely in the ears, providing minimum noise isolation, allowing riders to still hear important sounds such as honking or emergency vehicles. Additionally, wireless earbuds eliminate the hassle of tangled wires. With no cables to worry about, you can navigate your motorcycle with ease and comfort. In-ear models are particularly popular as they fit snugly inside the ear canal, minimizing wind noise and maximizing audio clarity. 2. Long-lasting battery life. Long road trips require devices with reliable battery life. Wireless earbuds for motorcyclists are designed to provide extended playback time to cater to this need. These earbuds offer impressive battery performance, ensuring uninterrupted music or podcast sessions. Some models also come with portable charging cases, adding extra battery life on the go. 3. Weather resistance. Riding in various weather conditions is inevitable for motorcyclists. Therefore, wireless earbuds built to withstand these conditions are highly advantageous. Several earbud models boast water and heat resistance, ensuring they can withstand rain, sweat, or dust. This feature allows motorcyclists to ride worry-free, knowing their earbuds won't be compromised by unpredictable weather. 4. Noise reduction technology. Motorcycle engines and wind noise can be overpowering, making it difficult to enjoy audio while riding. Wireless earbuds equipped with active noise cancellation, ANC, or passive noise isolation technology significantly reduce unwanted external noises. ANC technology uses microphones to analyze and counteract ambient sounds, providing a more immersive audio experience. Passive noise isolation relies on the physical design of the earbuds, creating a seal that blocks out external noise. 5. Connectivity options. Wireless earbuds offer multiple connectivity options to cater to various rider preferences. Bluetooth connectivity remains the most common feature, allowing motorcyclists to connect their earbuds to their smartphones, GPS systems, or music devices wirelessly. Some models even include multi-point technology, enabling simultaneous pairing to multiple devices. Additionally, some wireless earbuds feature NFC technology for easy and quick pairing. 6. Top wireless earbud recommendations. A. Sena SMH10R Bluetooth headset. This wireless earbud offers advanced Bluetooth 3.0 technology, long-range intercom capability, and clear audio quality. It is specifically designed for motorcycle helmets, allowing riders to enjoy music or make hands-free calls effortlessly. B. JBL Free X True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds provide excellent sound quality, water resistance, and up to 24 hours of battery life with a charging case. They also offer touch controls for ease. Why playback and call management? C. Cardo Packtalk Bold. This Bluetooth communication system includes wireless earbuds with dynamic sound and an advanced voice recognition system. It allows riders to communicate with their fellow riders effortlessly. Technical advancements have made it possible for motorcyclists to enjoy audio entertainment while on the road. Among these innovations, wireless earbuds have gained significant popularity. This article aims to delve into the advantages of wireless earbuds for motorcyclists and offer recommendations for the best options available in the market. 1. Safety and convenience. Motorcyclists often encounter noise-related challenges while riding. Safety is paramount on the road, and traditional headphones can hinder awareness of surrounding sounds. Fortunately, wireless earbuds designed specifically for motorcyclists provide a solution to this issue. These earbuds fit snugly inside the ears, offering minimal noise isolation, allowing riders to hear important sounds like honking or emergency vehicle sirens. Not only do wireless earbuds enhance safety, but they also eliminate the inconvenience of tangled wires. Riding a motorcycle becomes hassle-free, as these earbuds are cable-free. In-ear models, especially are popular, as they fit securely inside the ear canal, minimizing wind noise and maximizing audio clarity. 2. Extended battery life. Long-distance trips demand reliable battery performance. To cater to this need, wireless earbuds for motorcyclists provide extended battery life. These earbuds ensure uninterrupted music or podcast sessions, even over extended periods. Some models may include portable charging cases, which offer additional battery life on the go. 3. Weather resistance. Motorcyclists often ride in various weather conditions. As a result, wireless earbuds built to withstand these conditions offer significant advantages. Many earbud models are water and sweat resistant, making them capable of withstanding rain, sweat, or dust. With weather-resistant earbuds, motorcyclists can ride worry-free, knowing their audio experience won't be compromised by unpredictable weather. 4. Noise reduction technology. The noise produced by motorcycle engines and wind can overpower any attempt to enjoy audio while riding. Wireless earbuds equipped with active noise cancellation, ANC, or passive noise isolation technology significantly reduce unwanted external noise. ANC technology utilizes microphones to analyze and counteract ambient sounds, resulting in a more immersive audio experience. Passive noise isolate. ION, on the other hand, relies on the physical design of the earbuds to create a seal that blocks out external noise. 5. Connectivity options. Wireless earbuds offer multiple connectivity options to cater to various rider preferences. The most common feature is Bluetooth connectivity, allowing motorcyclists to wirelessly connect their earbuds to smartphones, GPS systems, or music devices. Some models even support multipoint technology, allowing simultaneous pairing with multiple devices. Additionally, certain wireless earbuds feature NFC technology for quick and easy pairing. 6. Top wireless earbud recommendations. A. Sena SMH10 are Bluetooth headset, designed specifically for motorcycle helmets. These earbuds offer advanced Bluetooth 3.0 technology, long-range intercom capability, and clear audio quality. Users see and enjoy music or make hands-free calls effortlessly. B. JBL Free X True Wireless Earbuds, with excellent sound quality, water resistance, and up to 24 hours of battery life. With the charging case, these earbuds are ideal for motorcyclists. They also